Hi, Pablo. How do you like the grass? Good talk. Violet, what do you think about this weather today? Good? How do you like having a driver's license now? Huh? Like your leggings, though. How about y'all guys? Do you like this weather? How about you, Evie? No? Okay. What would you rate this grass 1 to 10? No? Hi, Alice. What do you think about being old? Pretty good? No? Okay, back to you. Here's our rock bathing club over here. Oh, hi. Hi, Karen. How many people have you bullied today? 5. Seems about right. You again? Wait, Turkey, come back. Do y'all like wood or no? You look alone. Depressed. What do you think about laying eggs? See about in the coop. Hi. Still, I like your leggings. Hi, girlies. How do you rate the rocks 1 to 10? Ah, no. You again? Do you like bugs? I like bugs too. Hi, Preppy. Enjoying the shade? Are y'all dating? Hi. Who left your date? Hi. Hi, Preppy.